Dear friends, in this video, we will talk about the 13 best benefits of using aloe vera that will help improve your health in many incredible ways. Aloe vera is a medicinal herb, rich in about 18 amino acids, that help you maintain a healthy body. Let's see how it is beneficial for our health. 1. Aids in digestion. Drinking a glass of aloe juice in the morning can relieve stomach issues, like indigestion and constipation. 2. Strengthens the immune system. Aloe contains polysaccharides that help boost immunity, detoxify the body, and ward off infections. Aloe also helps inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. 3. Skin care and anti-aging properties. Since ancient times, aloe vera has been used to treat skin issues like acne, psoriasis, and sunburn. It also prevents the wrinkles and other signs of premature aging. 4. Strengthens hair. If you are tired of excessive hair fall, you can apply aloe gel to the entire scalp and hair. This will improve blood circulation and stimulate hair growth. 5. Oral care. If you face any oral problems, you can use aloe gel and powder, as their soothing properties can give relief from toothache and gum bruises. How to eat aloe vera. In order to get the many benefits of aloe vera, you can add it to your favorite breakfast smoothie. How to use aloe vera. You can use various cosmetics that contain aloe in case you cannot find the fresh herb. They are easily available at any supermarket. 6. Heartburn relief. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a digestive disorder that often results in heartburn. That consuming 1 to 3 ounces of aloe gel at mealtime could reduce the severity of GERD. It may also ease other digestion-related problems. The plant's low toxicity makes it a safe and gentle remedy for heartburn. 7. Keeping produce fresh. A 2014 study published online by the Cambridge University Press looked at tomato plants coated with aloe gel. The report showed evidence that the coating successfully blocked the growth of many types of harmful bacteria on the vegetables. Similar results were found in a different study with apples. This means that aloe gel could help fruits and vegetables stay fresh and eliminate the need for dangerous chemicals that extend the shelf life of produce. 8. An alternative to mouthwash. In a 2014 study trusted source published in the Ethiopian Journal of Health Sciences, researchers found aloe vera extract to be a safe and effective alternative to chemical-based mouthwashes. The plant's natural ingredients, which include a healthy dose of vitamin C, can block plaque. It can also provide relief if you have bleeding or swollen gums. 9. Lowering your blood sugar. Ingesting 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice per day can cause blood sugar levels to fall in people with type 2 diabetes, according to a study trusted source in Medicine, International Journal of Phytotherapy and Phytopharmacy. This could mean that aloe vera may have a future in diabetes treatment. These results were confirmed by another study trusted source published in Phytotherapy Research that used pulp extract. 10. Shop for aloe vera juice. But people with diabetes, who take glucose-lowering medications, should use caution when consuming aloe vera. The juice along with diabetes medications could possibly lower your glucose count to dangerous levels. 11. A natural laxative. Aloe vera is considered a natural laxative. A handful of studies have looked into the benefits of the succulent to aid digestion. If you have Crohn's disease, colitis, or hemorrhoids, you shouldn't consume aloe vera. It can cause severe abdominal cramps and diarrhea. You should stop taking aloe vera if you're taking other medications. It may decrease your body's ability to absorb the drugs. 12. Skin care. You can use aloe vera to keep your skin clear and hydrated. This may be because the plant thrives in dry, unstable climates. To survive the harsh conditions, the plant's leaves store water. These water-dense leaves, combined with special plant compounds called complex carbohydrates, make it an effective face moisturizer and pain reliever. 13. Potential to fight breast cancer. A new study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine looked at the therapeutic properties of aloe-imidin, a compound in the plant's leaves. The authors suggest that the succulent shows potential in slowing the growth of breast cancer. However, more studies are needed to further advance this theory. After watching my video, please like and share my videos, and also subscribe my channel for more videos.